Hello friends, this is Lindsay for So Fancy. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how you can create your own farmhouse styled tiered tray decor. So we're going to be making some mini signs for those tiered trays, and as beautiful and amazing as those little signs look on the tiered trays, they are surprisingly simple to put together. So we're going to show you how to do it. So to make these mini signs, you really don't need anything fancy. In fact, you probably have stuff around the house that you could use to make these mini signs for the tiered tray. So you just want to look for different sizes and shapes of wooden items. So I have a 5 by 5 inch piece of just scrap wood left over from another project. So it's going to be perfect for a farmhouse tiered tray sign. And then you can also look for, very inexpensively priced items at the craft store or dollar store, like mini canvases or mini wooden tags. And then next you might want to paint these items for the tray. And if you choose chalk paints or like matte flat finish paints, then that is going to give the most like a farmhouse-y effect. And you can use, either a foam brush to paint these on, or even like a flat matte spray paint works as well. So because the tiered tray is probably going to be kept indoors, then it really isn't necessary to seal the wood. But what we'll be doing next is applying some adhesive vinyl to these items, and you'll find that the adhesive vinyl does stick a lot better to a sealer than it does just paint or raw wood. So if you apply just a clear matte protective top coat sealer over these items, especially the painted canvas, then the vinyl will stick a lot better. So next you're gonna go ahead and use your cutting machine to cut out the design in some vinyl. And if you want to further that matte finish farmhouse look, you can use a matte finish vinyl like Oracal 631. So this is their removable vinyl, but because this is going to be indoors, then you're going to be okay with that. But you can also find Oracal 651, which is their permanent adhesive vinyl, in black and white with a matte finish. And then the designs for the farmhouse tiered tray signs are usually rather simple. Short phrases, simple fonts, simple images. And the fonts that we used for these Christmas farmhouse tiered tray signs are from the Christmas fonts bundle. And even the tree is a little font. So I threw a link in the video description if you want to go ahead and check them out. And so then you'll just cut and weed the vinyl designs and use some transfer tape to transfer them onto the mini signs. And then with your newly finished signs, you're ready to start decorating your tray. All you need to add is just maybe a little bit of greenery, and it's going to look fantastic. So that's really all there is to it for these mini signs. We hope that you give this a try. And if you want to use any of the fonts that we used for the signs we created, then you'll find them in the Christmas fonts bundle at So Fancy. So check the link in the video description for that. And then have yourself a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.